Moin Moin, Marina is here. In this video I'll make special miniature in the style of Francis Lee houses. I cut out the walls part from foam plastic. There are columns and a fireplace on one of the walls. I make the columns from the same material and cut out recesses for the fireplace. I also cut out places on all the walls where will be doors and windows. Using paper clay I create an imitation of brickwork. I roll it out and cut into rectangles and then glue them to the wall using texture paste. The paste will fill the gaps between the bricks and it will look like a real wall. For the windows frames I took a piece of plywood left over from the one of room box kits. I carefully cut the pieces to size I need and glue transparent plastic to them. It's better to paint the parts first, but I was afraid that they will become crooked from moisture, so I painted them after gluing. I create texture on walls using texture paste and makeup sponge, and then I paint walls in white and the bricks in different shades of brown. I have already shown this process in previous videos. I make the doors from cardboard. I cut out desired shapes and the edges and glue pieces together. I paint it in white. There will be glass on one of the doors. I make it from transparent plastic. I made the door handles by gluing two birds together. I make door and window frames from coffee stirring sticks and I also paint it with white paint. I glued all the pieces of the room together. There will be a carpet on floor in the room, but you can see a wooden floor near the walls. To imitate boards, I used coffee stirring sticks painted with acrylic. But first I painted the perimeter of the room with dark brown acrylic, that the orange base would not be visible through the joints. I glued pieces of cardboard in the center of the room so that the floor has one level. For the carpet I took faux fur. I could only find white, so I had to tint it a little with fabric paint. The base is done. It was a difficult project because I need to make a copy of real room when there are almost no photos. For the little sofa I make a side part from cardboard and coffee sticks and paint it white. For the top part I wrapped a piece of cardboard with fabric. Glued the pillows together from fabric and stuffed them with padding polyester. After that I glue it in place. The hardest part, piano. I cut out the details from cardboard and painted them black on the outside and beige on the inside. After that I carefully made holes for the strings with a needle and made strings from the fishing line. For the legs I used wooden chopsticks and glued all the pieces together. I make a sofa using the same principle. I cover the cardboard parts with fabric and glue them together. I sew pillow from fabric and stuff them with padding polyester. And then, in the same way, I make two chairs. I didn't make a video how I dyed the fabric to the chairs, but there is recording of test version. I painted the fabric to the main color and then I used stencil and a sponge to apply the decision. I had to do a lot of other elements, but I didn't film everything, since they are all made according of the same principle. And filming more than 100 hours of work seems strange to me. all the elements in place. I couldn't find a photo of this part of the room, so I did something in the same style. And this is what the finishing room looks like. I didn't really want to make a realistic bodies, so I made something like mannequins. I made the parts from polymer clay and connected them with wire, and after it paint beige. Next I will do blood imitation. If you don't like looking at this, then it's better to turn video off now. I paint blood on the carpet and add some splashes to the furniture around it. And the final result? Thank you for watching, let me know what you think about it in the comments, subscribe to the channel and see you in the next videos. Tschüss!